Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. You joined me from inside of the Chaser. Today we are fitting a new Nardi steering wheel to replace my old one. So got the box. I'll show you what's inside now. I'll show you what one I've decided to go for Chaser. Let's get out of the box. Obviously I've opened it all up already and taken all the sort of film out and all the bubble wrap. Here we go. 350mm Nardi deep corn steering wheel, perforated leather. It's on there, if you can see that properly, and nice red stitching as well. Decided to go for this one because I'm not a huge fan of flat face steering wheels. Always much prefer deep dish as well. It just depends on the deep dish because some can look quite tacky. Because this is 350mm as well. I believe this is 360mm, but because it's flat, me personally, it somehow feels sort of much bigger, and it also looks like you're driving a boat with this because it looks absolutely huge. So I'll get the old one off and I will stick this one on and I'll show you what it looks like. So old one's off now. Obviously it's pretty simple taking an old aftermarket wheel off because there's literally 6 bolts. I just realised as well I have forgotten the other one of these indoors that came with the new one. So I'll go and run and grab that now, and I'll be back in a sec. So I've got the new horn here. Take it out of the bag. A nice brand new Nardi horn there. Here's the old one. So there's the old one. Hopefully it's going to focus. Nope, doesn't want to focus. Anyway, that's the new one, and that's the old one. A few little scratches on that, but it's still in very good condition, to be fair. Just needs a nice little sort of clean up. So yeah, that's the new one. So I'm going to put the old one back before I get confused. Put this one back in here. When I come to use that, I'll need it. Yeah, as I said, this it is a genuine Nardi steering wheel, so it may be up for sale. So if you do see it and if you're interested, just give me a little message on Instagram or on here, and yeah, we'll try and sort something out. I'm using these little hex head bolts. I'm going to try and find some nice flat screws or flathead screws that sort of sit nice and flush on the base of the wheel, just because I think that personally looks sort of slightly better. So let's get this one on and go from there. So the new horn's in now. A little bit of a faff trying to get that in, I'm not going to lie. That's why I edited it all out. But now let's get all the bolts in and then see if it lines up properly. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to hand tighten them first, and then make sure I'm happy with the positioning of it all and everything like that, and then I'll go ahead and screw them in properly. But as I said, I personally think that this would look slightly better with a black Nardi horn as opposed to a chrome one, like or silver, whatever you want to call that. But don't get me wrong, I'm super happy with the way it looks, because again, I much prefer like the black spokes to for the inside of a Chaser. Whether you've got a Series 1 or Series 2 or Mark II or Cresta, whatever you've got, the black spokes just in general just suit the interior of the car much nicer. So it just darkens everything down. I'm much more of a, when it comes to modifications, I'm much more of a subtle person. So I'm not a big fan of like huge body kits and big wings and stuff like that. So, but each to their own. Everyone's got their own different style. So I was saying that, I said previously that I might get some flathead or like flat flush screws, but I actually quite like the way these sort of come out the steering wheel. I don't know, that might change in a couple of weeks. It's like when you get a new toy, you love it, and then all of a sudden, a couple of weeks down the line, you forget you had it. This is much nicer. The perforated leather, because this one is just, it's just like flat leather. So I'm trying to, if I feel like one of them makeup artists now, you know what, do that and put their hand behind the makeup. Yeah, this isn't perforated or anything, it's just like a flat leather. I'm not 100% sure what it's called. But perforated leather, the black spokes, the red stitching, it's perfect combination in my opinion, I think. So let's tighten these up now, because I am going to go for a drive later on and I don't want it falling off on me. So there we go, old one off, new one on. Bit of a quick video, but I know you guys want to see more of the Chaser, so there's bigger plans coming for it in the future. I've already got one bit inside that I'm not going to tell you what it is. I've got a bit inside which I'm very excited about putting on, but there's a little bit of engine work that I've got to do first. I've also got, let me just swing the camera around quickly. I've got a new centre air vent to go in with the swing button. As you can see, there's no vents in these ones whatsoever. They changed their minds about being in there, so I had to buy a new one. So I've got a new one of them to go in. Another little bit for the engine, I'm not going to tell you what, and a nice chrome or aluminium expansion bottle, brand new from Garage D. So brilliant quality. When I come to put that on, I'll show you as well. But for now, I will leave it there. I'll give you some nice shots of the Nardi steering wheel, not just from this angle. I'll use my nice gimbal to show you. So just one last little bit of information as well, if you're interested. The steering wheel boss kit I've got is a HKB boss kit. So it's made to fit Nardi, Momo and Sparko. So if you've got any one of them three wheels and you need a boss kit, I'd recommend getting a HKB. Again, I've got it from Driftworks. So obviously when I had my old original steering wheel on, took the old one off, boss kit straight on, Nardi wheel straight on with no problems whatsoever. So yeah, if you're interested, give them a shout. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.